Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your saved playlists on YouTube. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open up the YouTube app on your mobile device or visit youtube.com on your browser. Now let's say there's a video you want to save for later. You can tap on the three dots next to the video title or under the video itself. From there, you have two options. You can either save to watch later or save to playlist. If you choose Save to Playlist, you can select an existing playlist or create a new one, like Interesting. Once you've saved videos to your playlists, you can access them later by tapping on your profile picture at the top right of the app. Then, go to Your Channel or Your Library and select Playlists. Here, you'll see all your playlists, including Watch Later and any custom playlists. Tap on View All to see the videos saved in each playlist. You can manage your playlists by adding new videos, removing ones you've watched, or deleting entire playlists. Remember, by default, these playlists are private, so only you can see which videos you've saved. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing to my channel below. It really supports me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.